In this video, I will be showing you how to make a wedding seating chart in Canva. Let's get started. First, I'll head to the search bar on the templates page and type in wedding seating chart. I'll browse through the various designs until I find one I like, such as this minimalist cream and gold arch template. I'll click on it and then select Customize this template to open the editor. Once the design loads, I'll zoom in to get a better view of the details. I'll start by clicking on the seating plan title to change the font. I'll scroll through the font library until I find a style that fits the vibe, choosing above the Beyond script. I'll then resize the text box to make sure the title sits nicely within the arch. Next, I'll click on the Table 1 header. I want a more modern font. I'll choose the Architect's Daughter font. To make things faster, I'll use the Change All button at the bottom to update every table header instantly. Now, I'll move over to the names on the side. I'll update the text to read Stella and James' wedding and switch the font to Arvo. To add some extra flair, I'll go to the Elements tab and search for a wedding arch. I'll look through the graphics and pick a beautiful floral arch that complements the layout. I'll drag it onto the page, resize it to match the existing gold arch, and then delete the original line so the flowers stand out. I'll also adjust the position to make sure it sits behind the text. To improve readability, I'll select the guest names for each table and open the spacing menu to increase the line spacing. I'll do this for all the tables so the names aren't too crowded. Finally, I'll search for one more graphic to finish the look. I'll find an illustration of a wedding couple, place it at the bottom of the chart, and scale it down until it looks just right. With those final adjustments, my custom seating chart is complete. I hope this helps you create a stunning design for your special day.